So you may well ask the question, why bother with a stopper at all on the lane? And the main problems that I see are that, first of all, if we zoom in, when the marble has fallen in to the slot, you can just see it in there, the marble behind is actually sitting slightly higher, and when the gate starts to move up, you can see that one wants to pull up. It wants to pull that second marble up with it, and that's the reason why Martin has had to add the fingers to hold everything down. The other thing is that the pressure from the marbles behind coming down the lane can actually push that second one on top of the first one, which is another reason why he needs the finger in there to stop it happening. Let's just watch this again. As it goes in, it wants to lift that second marble up, and you can again end up with a stacking of marbles up here if you're not careful. So now we've installed this neoprene stopper. It's only a few millimeters thick, and what it does is it's going to come in between the first and second marble. What that means is you can see it touches the second marble just before the first one is about to move. So when the fish stair is just tangent to the ball there, just touching it, it's holding the second one back. And as the first one starts to move in, it's holding the entire stack back. So the first one can move in unhindered. None of these marbles can climb. They are held within the tube at this point still, although I don't have a tube here and it still works fine. And that allows the first one to drop in and go on its merry way. Then it lifts out of the way, they all move down one, and repeat. So I've set up again, but this time we're going to test the pinch scenario. This is where the marble comes down and is at exactly the wrong position when the gate comes down and the gate comes exactly on top of it. So there's three things can happen. One is that it pings the marble into the slot, no problem at all. It bends, no problem at all. It's designed to bend. Third situation is that it pushes down and gets pinged backwards, but it's okay. The only reason it's there in the first place is the lane is empty, so it'll just roll back into place, ready for the next one.